Welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to create your own line journal like this in Gravit Designer. If you haven't been here before, my name is Anna and I make videos about all things graphics. If you like creative graphic content, make sure to like and subscribe and also hit that notification bell to receive notifications when I produce more videos. Thank you. Gravit Designer is a vector graphic design editor. Today we are going to use the free online version of the app. To go to the editor, type in designer.gravit.io. I will also leave the link down below. Once you log in, you're presented with a page like this. Either click on print and choose your preferred size or enter your page size on top. Based on my research, the ideal size for a notebook is 7.5 inches in width and 9.75 inches in height. Okay, before we start laying the lines, we need to find out spacing and margins. Based on what type of ruled paper we are creating, the vertical spacing between lines will differ. In the US, the most common type of notebooks are medium ruled or college ruled, and based on Wikipedia, the vertical spacing between lines on these type of notebooks are 7.1 millimeter. Now that we established that, I'm going to create a 7.1 by 7.1 millimeter square as our guide. For the top and bottom margin, I'm gonna go with 21.3 millimeter, which is 7.1 times 3. And for the left and right margin, I'm going to go with 14.2 millimeter, which is 7.1 times 2. But this time, instead of creating a guide for it, I'm going to calculate the width of our lines. Okay, so our paper width is 190.5 millimeter. If we deduct 14.2 millimeter for left and 14.2 millimeter for right margin, the result is 162.1 millimeter, which is our line width. Now to create the lines itself, click on Shape option on top and choose Line. Once you choose Line, your cursor will change. Click on left hand, press Shift and drag it to the right. On the right hand, enter 162.1 for the width. You can make your lines thinner by changing the weight right here. If you want to create a dashed line, first select your line, go to the right hand, click on Borders, and enter 1 for dash and 2 for gap. You can change the numbers as you wish. Believe it or not, our work is almost done. All we have to do is copy and paste the line so we can fill out the whole page. Use the guide to make sure the gap between all lines are equal. Click on the guide and bring it closer to the line, and the app itself will snap it to the bottom of the line. Now click on the line, hit Ctrl and C to copy and Ctrl and V to paste it. Now click on the second line and bring it to the bottom of the guide. Now snap the guide to the second line, select both lines, copy and paste, and snap new lines to the guide. And repeat the same thing to the end of the page. Each time, snap the guide to the last line, copy and paste all lines, and move them to the bottom of the guide. To make everything even easier, instead of copying and pasting, you can select your lines, hit the Alt button, and drag the lines down. This way, it will duplicate the lines automatically, and once you created all lines, to make sure all of them are aligned correctly, select all of them, go to top right hand and click on Align Center. Although we use guide to make sure all of the gaps are equal, but I always use the vertical distribution option just to make sure. At the end, to download our file, click on Export option right here, and then you can choose the format of the file you want to export. Just click on Download the PDF file. In the end, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and also smash that notification bell. See you all on the next video, and bye-bye.